What is a VMware snapshot and how do you make one? Need to back up your VMware virtual machine? VMware Workstation offers a snapshot feature that captures the current state of a VM at a specific point in time. This snapshot captures the virtual machine's configuration, in addition to a virtual disk log that preserves the present state of the virtual machine, so you can resume tasks as if the VM was never turned off. Why take a VMware snapshot? Temporary backups. Snapshots can be used as a form of backup for your virtual machines, VMs. Taking a snapshot allows you to revert a VM to its previous state. Development. A snapshot can also be used for development purposes. VMware snapshots can act like a virtual sandbox, so your main body of work is safe when something goes wrong. Archiving. Taking a snapshot allows you to archive the state of your VM for future reference. How to make snapshot on VMware Workstation. Now, we want to take a snapshot of this state so that we can revert to it later. How to restore and manage snapshot. If you've taken multiple snapshots and want to select or delete a snapshot, click on the Snapshot Manager icon, clock with tool symbol, alongside the Take Snapshot and Revert Snapshot buttons. Best practices when taking VMware snapshots. Do not rely on snapshots as backups. Snapshot files differ from backups. A snapshot is meant to be a quick save feature that allows you to revert to an older state in case something goes wrong or when you need to take longer breaks without potentially losing all your progress. Only have 2 to 3 snapshots per chain. A VM in VMware Workstation can have up to 32 snapshots per machine. Do not keep a snapshot for more than 72 hours. Although snapshots initially start out taking a few megabytes (MB) of space, the snapshot file size will continue growing the longer you keep them. Prevent maxing out your storage space by keeping a snapshot for no more than 72 hours. Other ways of saving your virtual machine state. Although snapshots are the quickest way to save a VM state, there are other ways to save a virtual machine in its current state. The first is through cloning, in which you create an exact copy of the VM with all its configuration and data files. What about VMware Workstation Player? VMware provides 2 flavors of its VMware Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Workstation Player. Workstation Pro is a paid Enterprise Edition hypervisor, while Workstation Player is a free hypervisor made for students and tinkerers. Unfortunately, VMware Workstation Player does not provide the snapshot feature, with or without a product key. Unfortunately, this process includes backing up your VM, copying the backup files to another folder, and opening them as a separate VM, which is somewhat tedious for a snapshot.